Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can switch your Instagram account into business account, and subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. I'm going to start by opening up my Instagram account. Then I will go to edit profile. So then I'll click switch to professional account. I will click continue again, and they will suggest your professional. Maybe I'm a blogger or music band or clothing, community, digital creator, education, entrepreneur, healthy and beauty, editor, writer, personal blog, like gamer, restaurant, like product, beauty. You're gonna choose your profession here. So maybe I'm a personal blog. Then I'll click done. It only takes 30 seconds, so you're gonna wait for it. Then are you a creator? Or maybe I'm a creator, so I'll click next. I'll click complete your profile. Then already my account is in business account. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.